In today's video guys, we will talk about manual synchronization of generators. Paano nga ba to? Tara. So first thing to do, start muna tayo ng isang generator. And then pagkatapos natin mag-start, check and monitor for the parameters. Especially guys sa frequency. Dapat hindi siya masyadong mataas, hindi rin bababa sa 60 Hz. Then, next step is to put to manual the control mode. Then, select synchroscope to the incoming generator or the generator number 1. So, next, tingnan yung synchroscope meter. So, dapat yung ikot ng synchroscope meter is in clockwise direction, not too slow and not too fast. So, for example, mababa yung frequency. So, adjust lang natin yung governor motor by raising it. And then, kung sobrang mabilis naman yung ikot niya, babaan lang natin yung frequency niya by lowering the governor motor. So, kung okay na yung ikot ng ating synchroscope meter, at 11 o'clock, close natin yung ACB or the air circuit breaker. So, antayin lang natin na mawala yung tunog ng air circuit breaker and makonfirm natin na pumasok na yung ating bus bar, connect na. Then, switch off the synchroscope. Then, adjust the load of the incoming generator. So, by raising the governor motor, pantay lang natin yung load nila. So, pag-adjust pala nito guys, raise lang natin yung governor motor. So, pantay lang natin sa service generator. Take note when adjusting the load. Always observe for the frequency to the incoming and the service generator. So, yung mangyayari, kapag inasan mo yung load ng incoming generator, baba yung load ng service generator and tataas naman yung frequency niya. So, after natin makonfirm na okay na yung load ng ating dalawang generator guys, pantay na. Then, put back the control mode into auto position. Then, that's all guys. Ganyan na kasimple mag-manual synchronization ng generator. I hope you learned something from our video and please like and share for more videos. Siemens Live by Chief Soro. Bye-bye!